In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit quotes in Canva. If you need to update a motivational graphic, change an author credit, or simply fix a typo inside a quote design, Canva makes the process much easier than rebuilding the layout from scratch. The key is knowing how to edit the text without disturbing the rest of your design. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can make changes with confidence and keep everything looking polished. To begin, open Canva and go to your main dashboard. From there, look through your recent designs or head over to the Projects section in the left sidebar. Find the design that contains the quote you want to edit, then open it to launch the editing workspace. Make sure you choose the correct project before making changes, especially if you've created multiple versions of the same design. Once the design is open, take a moment to look over the layout before clicking anything. This helps you avoid selecting the wrong element by mistake. Move your cursor over the quote text you want to change and click it once. When the text box is selected, you'll see a colored outline around it, which confirms that Canva is ready for you to work on that specific text element and not the background or decorative graphics. Next, double-click inside the selected text box to place your text cursor where you want to edit. If you're only correcting part of the quote, click exactly where the change needs to happen. If you want to replace the entire quote, drag across the existing text to highlight it, then type your new wording. Try to keep an eye on line breaks as you type because even a small wording change can affect how the text fits within the layout. After the new quote is in place, look to the toolbar at the top of the screen. This is where you can refine the appearance of the text. Highlight the edited words if needed, then adjust the font, size, color, and spacing to match the style of your design. If the quote now feels too crowded or too small, these controls will help you restore balance. The goal is to keep the text readable while still fitting the overall visual style. Finally, click the text box once and gently move it if necessary to check alignment. Canva will show guidelines on the canvas to help you center the text or line it up with other elements. Use those guides to keep the composition clean and balanced. Your work saves automatically in Canva, so once everything looks right, you can use the share option in the top right corner to download your finished design. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in